With ARMATURE Fabric, you can create, modify, and monitor training pathways to meet your CPD requirements. Under the Training Pathways tab of Setup, you can edit your existing pathways and add more by selecting Add New. A pathway is the overall container used to monitor what is being accomplished by the user. Within pathways, you can add one or more tracks for users to complete. Each track will later contain categories and activities that give credits to the user. The default effective activity period for a track will determine the amount of time a user has before their credits expire. This can later be changed for specific activities. Each track can be assigned to one or more groups or contact types. You can also set each group to required or available. Available will make completion of the track optional. After a pathway is saved and selected, you can edit it and add new tracks or groups. Within each track, you can add one or more categories that have credit requirements. Within each category is a set of activities that provides the credits to meet those requirements. Add a name for the category and the number of credits required to complete the category. By selecting the Add button within a category, you can add an activity. If credit type is set to preset, completing the activity will give a predefined amount of credits. If set to user specified, you can enter a default and maximum amount of credits. The user will then be able to enter a value between the default and maximum. If set to per unit, you can classify a unit type and the amount of credits each unit gives. The more units a user completes, the more credits they will receive, up to a maximum amount. You can also set the amount of time until the credits expire. A user can be required to supply evidence of their work, or it can be optional. You can set acceptable evidence types to uploaded documents, a URL or enter description, or both. You can also allow the user to override the expiration date for their credits. From their My Items dashboard, users from assigned groups can complete activities, add activities, and track their credits. Under the Training Manifest tab of the Staff dashboard, staff can view the training pathways for individual users, add activities, and edit existing activities. To learn more about how you can track CPDs, visit www.armaturecorp.com/certification.